Hey guys, welcome back to Hamburg. We are in the downtown area and we're gonna check out this place, Rudolph's Italian place, which has actually gluten-free pizzas. So let's go inside. All right, the menu. Sorry, but it's all in German. You can pretty much figure it out. Prices aren't too bad. It's not an overly expensive city. And they do have the gluten-free. All right, had to go with the house wine, a Montepulciano. And then I got my little jalapeno dip for my pizza. It's a beautiful view here. I think everyone would enjoy this town. It's really nice and a lot of great day trips from it. All right, the Diavola spicy. I call it with the margarita. You can tell that it's gluten-free because of the thin crust. Let's dig in. All right, cool little present under the pizza. All the plates are different. I thought this was really good. Definitely up there as one of the best gluten-free. It actually tastes like bread. It's just very thin. The original pizzas, though, that are here, if you're not gluten-free, look phenomenal. So definitely recommend this place. 10 out of 10. Later.